Mày y cái này cái tụp à? Bay bông bẹt. Tao mà mẹ mà núp ai mà ya mẹ yang birthday Christmas. Satu sini aku bener. Mày thọ mà mẹ bị maya. Siapa? Ban teriak maya mẹ là mày. Maya lagi cukup angel sah.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka sorkar kanwanra ya ka ain ro lani ka bil nak benta ban Phiah Thymmai no ya ki Konstitwensi khnang ban la ban pentri kam ya ka bha ka ba lai phulai persen nak benta ki kin thai ka sorkar ga don jing thmu ban pentri kam no ya ka ne ka bha ya ki kin thai bat ka jing Phiah Konstitwensi Thymmai shwa ka election lok sabha arjar of khandai ka sorkar ga don jing thmu ru ban pentri kam ya ka nari shakti vardan adhiniyam ka bha ya ki kin thai Daga bashim jing ken na ka khana summary lani ka census jong snam arja phuai ka ni ka jing Phiah Konstitwensi kan long na ka benta ka parliament bat kumju ru ki assembly constituency kanang ba ki ken thai kin yo ka bha kerpang ban ya khun ya ka MP ni ka MLA election ha ka ni ka jing Phiah Konstitwensi Thymmai ka sarkar ka don jing thmuru ban pen bun noi ki constituency ha lok sabha na ka sanspa lai photali ki constituency shaka praspa khat santali na ka benta ki jilla ban na ka benta ki union territory pan kan pen bun no na ka arphotali ki constituency shaka live santali ka syong menta ha ka Ïing Dorbar ba kari lakan pedang ne em ya kini ka andro bakan kela anyo andre ka sorkar kalakop ba ka don ya ka jingbon pat ban penlong an ya kini ha ka bau menteri ketanat parliamentary affairs u Kren rejuju ulaong ba ungets kam ba baro ki sengsan perthai ken kirshan ya kini ka jing ai bha kerpang ya ki ken thai ba kin nong ginong thawan om tang ha parliament andre ha ki assembly constituency ru.
Yeah, the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister is playing politics and misguided by some people here. Nobody is against the women reservation, but they are going to use some excuse to defeat. That should not be done because people are not fools. No? People understand. If you want to defeat the women reservation by using some pretext, it will be most unfortunate and sad moment in the annals of Indian history. So the Tamil Nadu or any state should not worry. They should not misguide and mislead the people. That's my appeal. Everything will be cleared today in the Lok Sabha, and every state, every union territory of India need not worry. Everybody will be given fair chance, representation and opportunities, and there is nothing to worry about. Narendra Modi government is for everyone. Sabka saath, sabka vikas. There will be no injustice to any state, any region.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa ba fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpiang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamariang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpiang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry pim day pat bante shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry Mynta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya ka ne ka umpiang siya ka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko ka kot ka kya pat kamariang rukan kta syo.